Don't be reaching across into my space. This looks yummy. Looks ooey gooey.
It really. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, it's like, okay, I'll go.
What are we doing?
Today we're making pizza. We are making
pizza.
A French onion soup inspired vegan plant-based pizza.
This lady likes French onion soup.
Oh, it's so good and cheesy, and the bread. Yes.
We haven't eaten it in a long time, obviously, because we don't.
I've eaten it vegan. It's been a while though. It's kind of a fall soup.
It totally is.
So
it's
been summer, so we aren't eating soups, but we're headed into fall season.
Yes. So what are we putting on it? What are we doing?
Onions.
Ding, 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 ding. Yes.
Yeah, lots of, are we going to use sweet onions?
Yes.
Vidalia sweet onions?
Caramelized sweet onions that are almost going to be like a sauce on the pizza.
Like cooked down.
Yes.
And then vegan mozzarella, and finish it off with a little sour cream when it comes
dollops
out.
Of sour cream.
Little dollops, not you-sized dollops. You put like,
right.
then you smear it all around. It doesn't look good, but it tastes good. So we're going to make it pretty.
Yes, we will make it. But it's, again, simple, just 3 ingredients.
Yeah,
besides,
and the dough.
Yeah, besides your fabulous dough. So let's make French onion pizza.
So you can't have a French onion pizza without the onions, so let's get those started. First, we're going to add a little bit of butter and a decent amount of olive oil into a pan, get that melted down, and then we're going to add in our onions. We're assuming you've seen people chop vegetables before, so we didn't show you any of that. But what we're doing is we diced and then also did a slice on a half round because we want kind of different sizes just for texture and mouthfeel. So get those into a pan, add a few pinches of salt because we want to sweat those out, stir that up, and then you're going to slowly see over a period of about the next 5 to 7 minutes, the onions start to sweat out their liquid, which is what we want. Now, once that's happened, you'll see that they start to get these little brown bits, and that's when the magic happens of caramelization. This whole process is probably going to take about 30 to 40 minutes, so be patient. So once your onions have cooked out all of their liquid, now we're going to start adding liquid in to really aid in that caramelization. So what I like to do is alternate, and we're going to use some Pinot Grigio and then also some veggie broth, and we're just going to go back and forth with that. Add a little bit of the Pinot Grigio, stir it all up. Once that liquid, usually over about 5 minutes, 6 minutes, something like that, all that liquid's going to be gone. Then add your broth in to deglaze the pan. And then one more time with the Pinot Grigio, and then one more time with the veggie broth. And these are going to be so delicious, you're going to want to eat them all the time. So to really put these over the top, we're going to add in some brown sugar and balsamic vinegar and get that all mixed in. Once that's kind of worked its way out, we're going to add one more dose of the veggie broth and let that cook off. Because I was manning the camera, I totally forgot to show at the end, we're also going to add in a healthy dose of olive oil because we really want these onions to be kind of like a sauce for the pizza. So with our onions ready to go, it is time to build this pizza. So we're going to get our dough laid out on our pizza peel with some semolina on it so it can slide off easy into the oven. Then we're going to smear all of those delicious onions all over the base of the pizza, followed up with some of our vegan mozzarella, and it is ready to go into the oven. So once your pizza's out of the oven, we're just going to finish it off with some tasty dollops of sour cream. We're using a Follow Your Heart vegan sour cream. We're going to drizzle some nice balsamic glaze, and then the last addition are some freshly chopped chives.
Don't be reaching across into my space. This looks yummy. Looks ooey gooey.
It really.
We'll see how pick up and eat.
This is napkin required. This looks awesome. The smell. Those onions took a long time to make.
I think we should call this pierogi pizza. Even though there's no potato on it,
right.
With the onion and the sour cream, vegan sour cream, it's Very much like a
pierogi.
I'm going to
So-
do this one because it's not too...
Okay, and I'm gonna, this one's got onion and
Oh my
sour
gosh,
cream.
look at that. Yum!
Yes.
Can you see?
Cheers.
Oh,
Okay.
cheers.
Yeah, you know. Okay. Okay, here we go.
Whoops.
Wow. Got it all over my face.
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and go in again. Oh,
Wow. That is so light and good.
the flavor of the onions
Is really good.
off the charts.
It's bonkers, like you would say.
Off the charts. The onions took a long time to make.
But so they're worth it.
Oh,
It's amazing
This is-
how much they cook down. I was like, there's no way we're going to use all of that.
and I told her, I'm like, yes.
There you go.
I knew we would. The only thing that we would have changed, my fault, the dough is perfect, but it could be a little crispier on the bottom. Someone
Didn't start
didn't start the oven on time, so the stone didn't get up to temp.
Yeah, that's
But
usually our trick.
This is a home run.
This is
This
good.
is amazing.
Assuming you like onions. If you don't like onions, then this is
Well, I'm
probably not
guessing
the
you
pizza for
probably
you,
wouldn't
but-
be watching this still if you didn't like onions.
Right.
So,
Good point. We're
yeah.
glad you're here, and we're glad you like onions.
Yeah, this was
This
awesome.
is super yummy.
Yes.
Yes.
You said super.
I did.
Okay.
It's a thing now.
It totally is.
Okay.
All right. And
All
the
right.
dogs want in. So
Yes.
we hope that you've enjoyed this. If you have, hit like and subscribe. Tell everybody you know. And
Be kind
eat pizza.
with plants.
See ya.